I'm really close.
Yeah.
Now I'm really close. Do you see me?
That's your eye. What do you need? What are you wanting to tell Uncle Jason?
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! See mine? Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! That's me.
Can you sing to him?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jason.
Naomi, you want to find that birthday book to read to him? Phoebe, come here.
Book, book, book.
Zoe. Say happy birthday, Uncle Jason. Yeah. Don't say that bad word, Naomi. Haha. LOL. Alright. Guess how old Uncle Jason is today?
4?
You think he's 4?
Yeah. Is he?
Does he look 4?
No.
How old does he look?
5?
5?
6?
How old do you think he looks?
7? Does he look 3? How many does he look?
Phoebe, how old do you think Uncle Jason is? How old?
7.
7? Show me on your fingers.
What?
5? Oh. Alright. Can you girls blow kisses to Uncle Jason? Let me see. Look at the camera, Phoebes. You blow a kiss?
But, Mommy, I
What about
want
you,
to
Naomi?
watch one now.
Can you blow Uncle Jason a kiss? Say we love you. Happy birthday.
9? What's
Say bye.